Hi everyone, welcome to Easy Cooking channel. So this is summer time, everyone are traveling. So you have to eat something while traveling. So I'm going to show you one easy snack, how to eat avocado with very delicious while traveling. So see, I took a hybrid avocado. So the skin will be green only, but it is fully ripened. It's very big. First, I cut the avocado, then slice it like this in a diamond shape. Then spray some lemon juice like this. Lemon juice gives extra taste and prevent avocado from getting black. So I sprayed the lemon juice. Now I'm going to make a sprinkle of salt. You can take these simple ingredients while traveling. It doesn't occupy much space. So I'm going to add a chaat masala. It's available in all Indian stores. A chaat masala. It is nothing but a dry mango powder with some ingredients. Finally, I'm going to add the fenugreek leaves, dry fenugreek leaf powder. It will be green and it smells awesome. It's very good for the diabetic patients. So if there's any diabetic patients in your house, give this avocado with this fenugreek leaf powder. Avocado itself is very good for the diabetic patients and it's very good for the kids also. It's a very easy, healthy and comfort food when you're going for any vacation or when you do any road trip or traveling. So this is easy, healthy avocado. This is it. It's ready to eat now. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.